What if AI agents could help you predict and prevent equipment failures in a fraction of today's time? With Cognite Atlas AI, that's not just possible, it's practical. AI agents help end users, solution builders, and data managers automate tasks, make faster decisions, and modernize workflows. Atlas AI is a low-code agent workbench built on AI-ready industrial data to optimize throughput, reduce downtime, and improve efficiency. In this series, we show how agents running on a trusted and secure industrial data foundation automate critical tasks and shorten time to insight. Imagine you're a process engineer. You notice rising shaft vibration and bearing temperature on a critical compressor. Your goal? Run an analysis to predict a potential failure. First, you open Cognite Charts, a no-code industrial analytics application. Instead of searching through datasets, you open the time series prediction agent and ask for information on the first stage compressor. The agent surfaces the relevant time series and you add them to your chart. Zooming in on early July, you see a clear temperature rise. You ask the agent why. It reasons over contextualized data, rules out unlikely causes, and suggests next steps. Next, you check for maintenance work that might explain this change. The agent can't find any, so we move on. Next, you ask the agent to add a maximum shaft temperature threshold to the chart, then extrapolate from the July 6 data to estimate when the threshold set to 100 could be crossed. The agent gives you a projected day and time. Next, you can also explore other regression methods. The agent lists available forecasting techniques, guides you on best practices, and offers to run and plot alternatives for comparison. For instance, you can choose a quadratic fit. Back, you get detailed results, accuracy checks, and explanations of how the agent reached its conclusions, giving you confidence in your prediction. And you confirm that the threshold is reached on July 13th. To stay on top of the risk, you ask the agent to generate a small Python function that runs this extrapolation on live data. This function can be run in a Jupyter notebook for background monitoring, automatically flagging issues before limits are breached. In minutes, you predicted when the compressor could hit its limits and set up ongoing monitoring without writing a single line of code. Using Cognite Data Fusion with Atlas AI, this same approach scales easily to other assets and scenarios. The support of these AI agents enables non-programmers to tackle complex challenges like this failure prediction scenario, saving time and preventing costly downtime. To learn how Cognite Atlas AI can transform your operations and to see more AI agents in action, explore our website or contact us for a personalized demo and start your journey toward a more efficient and predictive future today.